Today we're gonna make a hotdog. 우리 오늘은 호떡을 만들어 볼 거야. Let me show you the ingredients. 뭐가 들어가는지 보여줄게. We need 296 gram hotdog mix powder, 4 gram yeast, and what is it?
Sugar.
And some oil.
Warm water.
Yes, we need 200 milliliter warm water. Pour the warm water in the big bowl. Can you pour?
Yes.
Okay. Pour. And add the yeast. Yeah. And mix it. Please mix it. And add the hotdog mix powder. Add it.
Mix, mix, mix.
Mix it until it becomes to foam. 이거 이렇게 도우가 될 때까지 계속 믹스해 주는 거야. It's a little bit hard to with the spatula, so please use your hands. 손으로 한번 해보자. 좀.
나도.
Can you do it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, mix it. Mix. Mix. How does it feel?
It is soft.
Yes, it's soft. Generously coat your hands with some oil. Okay? So that they don't stick to your hands. 이렇게 해야지만 도우가 손에 이렇게 안 붙거든. 자, coat your hands and take some dough. Okay, you can get it. And please flatten on your palm. 이렇게 평평하게 해줘. 손바닥에서. Flatten. 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 Okay, show me. Oh, it's good. Okay, so I'm gonna help you. 도와줄게. Okay, you can use mine. 선생님 거 쓰세요.
크다.
Is it big?
Yes.
Okay, flatten. And Rebecca, what is it?
Sugar.
Yeah, scoop in 2 tablespoons of sugar. 자, 2수저 sugar 넣어줄 거야. Okay, 1, 2. And bring the dough from around the edges towards the center. 자, 안쪽으로 이렇게 도우를 가지고 오는 거야. 가장자리를. And seal it by pinching it together. 이렇게 꼬집듯이 핀칭한 다음에 자, 이렇게 봉해주는 거야. Did you do it? Okay, so I'm gonna help you. Place it on the tray. Okay, give me. Okay, seal it by pinching all together. 이렇게 꼬집듯이 해주는 거야. It's a little bit hard, isn't it? Now, heat up the pan over medium heat. 중간 불에다가 불을 켜줘 볼까? And please spread some oil. Spread. Okay, I think it's enough. Thank you. Now, place Put the same side down. 자, 여기 아까 우리 이렇게 봉합 부분 있지? 이 부분을 밑으로 내려놓는 거야. Same side down. And cook for 30 seconds. Can you count from 1 to 30?
Yes.
Okay, let's count it. 1,
1, 2,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And what is it? This is a hotdog press. 이거 hotdog press야. Now, please press it until it becomes flattened, like a
Okay.
pancake. 팬케이크처럼 얇게 될 수 있도록 잘 눌러줘. Press it. 자, 이거 뒤집어 줄 거야. Flip it over. Oh, can you see the golden brown? Come on,
Yeah.
Rebecca. Oh, I think it's not ready. Let's do it again. Cook the other side. You can check the color. 자, 색깔을 잘 보면 돼. You can get the crispy outer and soft interior. 바깥은 되게 바삭바삭하고 안은 되게 부드러울 거야. Place them on kitchen paper to get rid of the excess oil. 자, 오일을 좀 제거하기 위해서 이렇게 키친타월에 놓고 and cool down. What do you think? Looks nice. Try it. Bye bye.